Good evening all. Today I come with a problem of Zebronix. This is subwoofer. Problem is that I switch on the subwoofer but still no light is glowing. Actually in the back side I see there is a LED light which will glow, but some problem happened so the light is not glowing. So how to solve this problem? Let's see. I already opened the back side, and first of all I switch off the set first, and I already opened the screw. Now I just bring the circuit board and go through the circuit board. I see this condenser has some problem. You see this condenser is also there, but the upper surface is plain, but this is not plain. I think the condenser has damaged. So I open it and put a new one, and let's see the set will on or not. Just wait. I am going to open. I open the AC jack also and unscrew all the screw and unscrew all. Now I see this is the circuit board, and I open this one. By using desolder wire, I open it. I open the condenser from circuit board, and now I am going to attach this condenser. This is a 1035 volt, 1000 mFD 35 volt. Okay, I attach this condenser, same value, but voltage is 50 volt. Okay, so I just I will explain. I not put the condenser in the circuit. I just take two wire. It is quite simple. Okay, now we are going to give power. Attach this jack. I am giving AC jack inside. Now see, here is the light. Let's, if all is well, it will be good. Yes, this light is glowing. So in that way I solve the problem. Thank you.